So this year's Siggraph, it was all about machine learning and AI stuff. Out of this AI stuff, Image Engine published a new paper called Automated Video Segmentation Machine Learning Pipeline. It was created by Johannes Merz and Lucien Fostier. So this is basically a in-house AI-based tool that artist simply has to prompt single word or set of words like person and car and add some negative and positive clicks and hit the button. It will create a WAP alpha mix for comps and other works. The interesting thing is this matte extraction tool has been deployed in the studio and successfully executed in 12 different shows and 1021 shots until this date. Also, in their Siggraph, they mentioned about they can pull a rough matte for around 100 frames in 10 minutes for the GPU servers. For executing this model, the hardware they used was NVIDIA Air 4000 GPUs, and the 4K frames has been compressed to 1024 pixel to keep the aspect ratio. So how does this works? They built a three-stage automated promptable detection. So prompting the image and creating a shapes and animating the shapes. So the first is stage one object detection. They used a AI model called ground dino. You can add a prompt like old woman, her family. It will create a rectangular circle based on the prompt, basically. Like if you add a set of paragraph and it will find the keywords and it will add a bounding box according to that. For example, the image capture the moment in the road, likely a marathon, like an outstretched arm. So it will add a bounding box to the arm. Like anything, boiled egg, bagel, remote control, dinghy. So first step is like this, directing an object and adding a bounding box out of it. And the second stage is image segmentation. They used SAM to segment editing version 2 to produce a proper rotomask inside the bounding box. So it will look like this. You can create a rough mask and it will create a shape based on the bounding box. Those two models has been merged. It will work on simultaneously to produce a proper mask. And the third stage is video tracking. They are using a SAM to video tracking mode to create an animated mask. It will comes around forward and backward pass, so avoid any errors. There are few limitations also. These mats are supposed to do WAP mats only, like a garbage mats. So the paper also didn't mention anything about how it can handle deep focus, motion blur, and camera movement softwares. Also, it will require a NVIDIA A4000 with 16 GB graphics card. It's a quite interesting paper, quite a breakthrough that they are doing right now. Also, in the future, they are instead of AlphaMet, they might be exporting as a spline tracker for Roto also. It will also help Roto artists to refine the shape instead of using the mat that was provided by the model. The automated video segmentation paper the link has been provided in the description.